In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer hosting your domain to Shopify. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a domain that you want through Hostinger to Shopify. The reason why I'm using the term connect is because as of today, it is not possible for you to directly transfer the domain ownership to Shopify. So keep that in mind. While you can still definitely connect the domain to Shopify, transferring the full ownership of the domain is impossible. So in this video, this is what I'm going to show you what to do. First, you need some preparations on Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the domain management section. In there, you will be able to locate the option to unlock the domain transfer. This is going to disable any transfer protection, and it's going to allow you to connect the domain to Shopify. Next, you need to obtain the authorization code, usually referred to as authorization code or EPP code. So you might not need this to Shopify, but it's good practice to always have it stored, especially when you unlock the domain. So this unique code verifies the ownership of the domain when making changes. Once you unlock the domain and you get the authorization code, just in case, switch over to Shopify. In here, you can use the search function and look for the word connect, and then you will be able to find the option to connect an existing domain to your store. Like I said, while they don't allow you to transfer the full ownership of the domain to Shopify, you can still connect the domain. And in here, you just have to include a specific domain from Hostinger that you would like to connect. Now in this video, sadly, I don't actually have a domain that I'm gonna be able to demonstrate this with, but once you enter any domain that you own here, you will have to go through the process of verifying the domain ownership. So you have to create the following DNS records in your domain provider account settings, and once you input all of these details under DA records, CNAME records, and TXT records, you will be able to verify the connection and get them both linked. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer hosting your domain to Shopify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.